Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing something really fun. We're doing a DIY thrift flip. I know you guys love these. You love my thrifting videos, so I'm really excited. We're going to be DIY thrift flipping old t-shirts with bleach. So these are like, I have a couple colored ones, I have a couple black ones. So we can do like the reverse tie-dye with the black ones, and I'm really excited. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, because I do a lot of thrift flips and thrifting videos and other fun videos like this. So please be sure to subscribe. Fun fact, 90% of you are not subscribed to my channel, and it would be really helpful to me if you would hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Originally when I wanted to do this video, I wanted to do color tie-dye as well, but unfortunately everywhere is sold out of color tie-dye right now because tie-dye is so trendy this year. So if you want to see a color tie-dye video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will do it when I hit 20 likes. So that is your challenge, 20 likes for a color tie-dye video. So I'm really excited, guys, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So what you need for this craft is you need some gloves. I just have latex ones, but the kitchen ones work really well as well. And I have some of those I might grab, but luckily working with the spray bottle, we're not dipping our hands in the bleach, so they should be fine. And then of course you need a ton of rubber bands for tie-dyeing. Then you're gonna need a spray bottle with half parts bleach and half parts water. You don't wanna do full bleach because it does tend to break down the fabric of your shirts. Of course, you need some shirts, so I recommend getting them from Goodwill, or also a really good place to ask is if you have a dad or an older brother or someone that wears larger shirts than you. I think that's also a great way to get some old shirts that you can make brand new. So any way that you like, or any of your old shirts, I have a couple of my old shirts here that I'm gonna use just to spruce them up a little bit, so I'm excited to try those. But I have this one I got from Goodwill. It's a Baby Yoda shirt. It says "When Your Song Comes On," and it's gray, so I think it'll turn white. I'm not sure if it's gonna be reversed, but we're gonna find out. Got that one from Goodwill for $3. And then I have this one. So it's the periodic table of Star Wars villains. And it's really cute, and it's super big. It's 2XL, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a cover-up, a beach cover-up, which I have done on my channel. So if you want to check out my thrift flip from an old t-shirt to a DIY beach cover-up, it's gonna be right up above. And I'm not sure if I want to do that or if I want to just turn this into a sleep shirt, because I really love having just big t-shirts to sleep in at night. Big t-shirts plus Tommy's is the dream sleep combo. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I'm definitely gonna tie-dye it, probably cut it up a little bit, and then maybe by the end of this video we'll have a decision on what I want to do with this shirt. And then I have this shirt. So this is one of my old shirts. I've had it for years now. It says, "What day is it? Hump day," and it has a camel from the Geico commercial. And I did not thrift this one. My mom got it actually at Walmart for my younger brother, but it was too small for him, so she gave it to me. And I've been loving it for years, but now it's time to spruce it up a little bit. So we're gonna do some bleach tie-dye with it. And then last but not least, I have my favorite thrifted find ever, my vintage rock and roller coaster t-shirt from Disney World. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I'm really scared to mess up this shirt, so I'm saving this one for last. We're gonna see how the first three go, and then we're gonna see if we wanna go ahead with this one. But I think it would be really cute to do the reverse tie-dye on this, and maybe cut the bottom a little bit to make it a little more fringy, and then maybe give some cuts on the sleeves and just make it a little more worn out and distressed. So I think that would be really fun. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just really nervous because that one, the fabric is so thin that, because it's been worn so many times. Oh, also I got that one from Goodwill, but it's been worn so many times that I'm really scared if I use the bleach, it's gonna break down the fabric. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I want to do that one yet, but I think it'd be really cute if I did do it. And then of course you just want to wear a shirt that you're not worried about getting dirty, because we are working with bleach today. So if it splatters, you want to make sure that you're not destroying one of your favorite shirts in the process. Let's get started, guys. I'm so excited about this. I've been planning this on my channel for a long time because I've been seeing how trendy tie-dyeing is, and I really want to do the colored DIY video because I have a lot of white shirts that I think need a little revamping, and I think it'd be fun to do it with color. So we'll see how many likes I get on this video. 20, and I'll do the color tie-dye. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my periodic table of Star Wars villains because it's black, and I want to see how the black goes. So I'm gonna let this one sit while it's Bleach dyeing, and then we'll see if we're gonna do the rock and roller coaster one. We're gonna try this one first. So if you've never done tie-dye before, basically the rubber bands are gonna act as the way of creating the design on the shirt. So you have a bunch of different options. I'm gonna try some different ones throughout this video to see what we like. I'm gonna try a few different techniques throughout this video, but for this first one, I think I just want to do like a standard tie-dye. So all you're really doing is just grabbing like groups and bunching it up and then securing it with a tie-dye. And you can go as crazy with this as you want. Oh boy. You can go as crazy with this as you want. You can get creative with your designs. Sometimes I do like a big circle and then 2 little circles to make a little Mickey. We can try that now and see if it comes out. And yeah, just go crazy with it. Okay, so here's kind of what my Mickey looks like. You can see I have like the big circle here, and then I have 2 little circles tied off up here. I hope you can see that. I know the light is like not great, but we'll see how it comes out. Okay, I'm about to start doing the spray bleach, so I'm just gonna cover my counter with some old rags just to keep my counter safe and prevent me from getting it on anything that is not supposed to be getting bleached. This is honestly a great project to do outside. I didn't want to do it outside right now because it's so flipping hot, and also because we still have pollen everywhere right now. So just decided to do it indoors. But I'm definitely gonna have to leave the doors open for a while after this because of the bleach. I'm gonna have to let it air out for sure. So this is what my shirt looks like now. It's like super bunched up. So I just put like random rubber bands everywhere. And now I'm gonna go crazy with spraying the bleach. All right, oh wait, I forgot. You have to lightly dampen it. I completely forgot. You don't want it to be like soaked, but if it is wet, it's gonna soak up the bleach earlier, so you just want it like lightly damp. And here we go. If you don't have a spray bottle, by the way, I literally use, this is an old leave-in conditioner. Oh, I just choked on the bleach. Holy, it's already changing colors. How cool does that look? It's already changing colors. I should probably put on one of my conical face masks since I just breathed in that bleach very badly. But if you don't have a spray bottle, you can literally just use, this is an old leave-in cream conditioner bottle that I literally just rinsed out because I had already finished it off, and just use this. So this is a good one as well. Anyway, I'm gonna cover my mouth and go ahead and continue spraying. Alright, so you can see it is changing very quickly. So I'm probably going to let this one sit for like 10 minutes because of how quickly it's changing, and then we will come back to that. So I'm just going to put it over here. This will be my pile of already transitioned pieces. Okay, well, I accidentally touched this with my gloves, I guess, because it's turning pink. I did not think the gray would turn pink. So let's go ahead and get started with this one since it's ready to go. So this one I'm going to do a different technique. I want to make like a swirly design. So how you do that is you start in the middle and just twist. So I'm just going to twist it all in. It's kind of hard to do on here, so I'm going to come and sit over here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's like a big swirly. So I'm just going to put rubber bands around the whole thing, probably just like 2 or 3, just to secure it. And here it is. Show you a little closer that it's completely bunched up. So it's like a swirly, and then I just put rubber bands around it just to keep it in that swirled position. And now it's time for the bleach. So here we go. starting to see the pink coming out, and it looks really cool. So again, I'm gonna put this to the side and let it keep bleaching. This one still has like 5 minutes to go, the original one. So I'm gonna do this one while we're waiting. With the hump day one, I wanna try to do like an accordion design. So like basically like stripes running down it. So to do this, I am basically just going to like kind of bunch it up on the sides. I'm honestly not gonna put rubber bands on this one. I'm just gonna kind of do it like this so I can kind of pick where it goes, and hopefully it looks beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna take it, gonna basically just like fold the sides in so it gives it like this little accordion design, and I'm gonna go spray. Mention too, while you're doing this, be sure you get the back as well. Otherwise your shirt is just going to be like randomly bleached on the front and not on the back. Which if that's your style, that's cool too, but I definitely want to do some on the back. So I don't see a design yet, so we're going to just put this one over here for now. And we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so now I'm pretty much done with this one. My original periodic element Star Wars one. So I'm gonna start untying it and we'll see how it came out. How cool does that look? Oh my gosh, that's the front and that's the back. It looks so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with some cold water to get all the bleach out, and then I'm gonna go hang outside to dry. Guys, I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do my rock and roller coaster shirt. I'm very nervous. So this one I'm just gonna go crazy with again. I don't really want to do any specific design. My red one is like not dying at all. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna go crazy with it. And you know what? We'll see how the design turns out. I think it'll look really cool. This is like such a thing on Poshmark, is to take like old Disney shirts and tie-dye them. I think this one will look even cooler because it's a rock and roller coaster one, so it's very like rocker style. Oh, I'm so excited. I really hope it comes out good, or I'm gonna cry myself to sleep if I ruin this shirt, because it is like my favorite thrifting find ever. Alright, officially wet. It is time to start bleaching it. Like I said, this fabric is really thin from being worn so much, so I'm gonna be very delicate with this one and keep a close eye on it. So hopefully it does not rip through the fabric with the bleach. Here we go. Okay, so this one is already starting to turn and it's looking really cool. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. I'm gonna look at this one and we're just gonna keep repeating this process. Oh my gosh! It came out so cool. So you can see how it has like the swirl design on the side. Because remember, this is the one that we put flat and spun around and then put the rubber bands to secure it. So you can see the swirl. Oh my gosh, Baby Yoda has never looked so cool. So here's the front and here's the back. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this with cold water and leave it outside to dry. Okay, so next we have the red one, and I don't know how it's gonna come out because I don't really see a design happening. I don't know. I think I might have to let it... Okay, you can kind of see on the sides. I think because it is wet, you can't really tell. So I think I'm just gonna let this one air dry and then I'll wash it with cold water later just so we can see how it looks. So guys, that is pretty much how we tie-dyed the shirts. I'm gonna go a little crazy and cut some of them. What I like to do is cut the bottom to make it fringy, cut the sleeves, sometimes give it like a little slit, which again, I did that in my upcycled beach cover-up from old t-shirt video. So I already have that linked above if you want to check that out. But I'm just gonna do that by myself, and then I will show you guys the before and afters with the finished product. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and please be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate any help with my channel. Also leave me a comment down below on what you want to see from my channel this summer. And if you want to see the color tie-dye, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And anyway guys, I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Thursday with a new vlog. Bye!